this on an amazing and fantastic recipe today. Okay, it's gonna be a little bit of a blending, but don't worry yourself about the knives. Okay, beautiful. So first of all, what we're gonna do, I got some cashew nuts, which I'm gonna put straight inside of the blender, and also I have some avocado, which is very good for you. I'm gonna put that straight into the blender. That's lovely. We got a finger of ripe banana, which is also good for you, and that's our natural organic style. We got one kiwi, which I cut up already, and I prep my kiwi. So right here, I'm just putting the kiwi also. Nice one. And what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put roughly about a teaspoon of honey. It's good for you to use organic honey, it's much better, but I'm gonna use this honey right here. All right, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour 1 cup of almond milk into the blender, just like this, to free up the blender when I'm gonna blend it. All right, so I'm gonna take this to the blend. I'm gonna make a little bit of a noise. All right, yeah, beautiful. Nice one. So here it is, and this is the magic drink right here, guys. All right, that's the magic drink right there, and I want you guys to make this at home. It's fantastic and an amazing recipe. All right, it's beautiful. Now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna pour it out, make you guys can see how it look, and that's the way how it look right here. Really thick and nice. All right, if you guys can make this at home, 100% you will see the result with your homework. All right, beautiful recipe for you to try. Fantastic and an amazing. And as I say, we have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo. So please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend, and subscribe is very important. All right, it's a beautiful recipe for you to try at home, and 100% you will see the difference in your life. All right, so if you like the recipe, as I say, leave your comments. It's very important for you to guys to leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend, and definitely we will be coming with a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas where you guys can make things at home. Big up yourself, and this is from Chef Ricardo, and I will see you in the kitchen with another video like this. Bye bye. All right.